Hey guys, this is Jimmy from Man on a Budget. Check out this 1964 Dodge here at the grocery store where my wife and I were shopping. I had a 63 Dodge in high school, Polara. Almost a twin to this. I mean, little subtle differences. Is a four-door. Mine was a beige color, 318. Look how nice the interior is. I'm not going to open it. Can I open up the door, sir? You care if I open it? I seen this and I thought, oh man, check this out. Is this not a beautiful car? Push button, automatic transmission push button. But this is almost a twin to the one I went in high school with. Back when I had hair, this is what I drove. This is what I drove back and forth to.
It has 5,150 miles.
5,150 miles. I don't know if you can see that. 5,150 miles. No wonder it looks so good. This seat and everything looks brand new. Look at the door panels.
Oh, the seat still has the plastic.
Oh, the back seat still has the plastic, and they just took the plastic off this. Isn't this? This is a time capsule. It is just awesome. Boy, I sure would love to have this. It's running now. You can't even hear it. It's a 318. Like I said, automatic push button. I remember seeing these cars. Oh, thank you. Thank you, sir.
Car club.
Oh, okay. Hey, thank you, sir.
We're over in Madisonville at Mixie Wings the first Saturday of the month.
Okay, thank you, sir. I appreciate it. What a beautiful car. This reminds me of what Miss Hathaway and Mr. Drysdale used to drive back and forth to see on the Beverly Hillbillies. But what a beautiful car. It's only got 5,000 miles on it. 5,000. What a time capsule. Beautiful car. Thank you for watching the videos, guys. You're watching Man on a Budget. My name is Jimmy. Please like and subscribe. I sure would appreciate it. You can't even hear this thing run. It reminds me, like I said, of my younger days when I had a 63 Dodge, just like this four-door. Good car. Good car. You're watching Man on a Budget. My name is Jimmy. I'm also on Instagram, Man on a Budget 1. I have a second YouTube channel called Primer is Best, and I'm on Instagram, Primer is Best, and Facebook, Primer is Best. Man, what a cool car. Unbelievable. I'd rather have this one as a new one. That's the truth. Give me this one anytime. God bless y'all. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch. Hey. Oh, how much is this car? $11,500. $11,500. Guys, if you want a brand new car, this is it. $11,500. Can't even hear it run. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Y'all have a blessed day today, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. See y'all later. $11,500, guys. I'll leave the man's name and his phone number in the description of the video. Man, that's just like what I had. And they used to be everywhere. God bless y'all. See you later.